Imagine waking up, looking in the mirror, and seeing smoother skin, fewer breakouts, and that stubborn lower backache finally quiet. All from one device. Not three separate gadgets, not a shelf full of creams, just one flexible, FDA-cleared panel that you can use on your face, chest, arms, legs, or any aching muscle. That's what the Celluma PRO Series 1 delivers, and today I'm going to show you exactly why it's the most popular LED panel for both home users and skincare professionals. LED light therapy isn't new, but most devices force you to sit inches from a rigid board or wear a hard mask that only treats your face. The Celluma Pro flips that idea. It's a large, lightweight panel that bends and shapes to your body. You can lay it flat over your face using its built-in foam stands. No extra stands needed. Or you can wrap it snugly around a shoulder, elbow, knee, or lower back, getting light exactly where you need it. Because it operates hands-free, you can use those 30-minute sessions to meditate, read, or just close your eyes. Now, the real magic is the three treatment modes. Mode 1, Acne, uses specific blue and red wavelengths that kill acne-causing bacteria and calm inflammation. One longtime user wrote, and I quote, "I've battled hormonal breakouts for over 10 years. After consistent use of the Celluma Pro on the acne setting, my skin has never been this calm and clear. I wish I had found it sooner." Mode 2, Anti-Aging, combines red and near-infrared light to stimulate collagen, soften fine lines, and give you that lit-from-within glow. Another reviewer said, and this one stuck with me, "Friends keep asking if I got Botox or a fancy facial. I just smile and tell them it's my Celluma. My skin looks plumper and those smile lines have visibly faded." Mode 3 is where the Celluma really stands apart. Pain relief. Near-infrared and red light penetrate deep into muscles and joints to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and ease chronic aches. A buyer who uses it after intense workouts said it made a night-and-day difference in her recovery, allowing her to stay active without the stiffness and soreness that used to slow her down. That's three clinically relevant uses, all in one panel, all backed by FDA clearance. What about quality? Celluma is built by BioPhotas, a company trusted by estheticians, physical therapists, and spas worldwide. The panel has a durable, clinical-grade build with consistent light delivery across the entire surface. It's the original Series 1 Pro design, powered by standard 110-volt wall electricity, and it includes an international adapter kit so you can use it almost anywhere. No batteries to charge, no bulbs to replace. Just plug in, choose your road, and treat. The panel comes with everything you need right out of the box: the Celluma Pro light panel, power cord, and manual. And because it's so simple to position with the foam stands, you don't have to buy additional accessories or stands. You just open it, shape it, and start. A buyer in her 60s mentioned how she uses it while watching her evening shows. She wraps it around her hands for arthritis pain, then lays it over her face for the anti-aging mode. She called it the best wellness investment she's made all year. If you've been jumping from product to product, trying to fight acne, soften lines, or manage daily aches, this one device replaces the clutter. It's not a quick fix, but with regular use, the results are real, cumulative, and something your skin and body will thank you for. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start treating your skin and muscles with professional-level light therapy, the Celluma Pro Series 1 is ready when you are. Check the link below, read the thousands of positive reviews, and make today the day you simplify your self-care for good.